Good morning.
His words maybe make or break in the first criminal case to ever be brought before an American president. Words that have been criticized for being intertwined with lies.
I don't think there's one person that says that this trial is legitimate.
For days, the defense has tried to claim Michael Cohen's repayment was solely for legal purposes. On Monday, lawyers worked to further discredit an October phone call saying Michael Cohen can't recall certain events from that day, but seemed to remember calling Trump's bodyguard to talk to Trump about the Daniels payment. "You didn't speak with President Trump about any of these other matters?" asked Todd Blanche. "It was Stormy Daniels that personally concerned me," said Michael Cohen. On redirect, prosecutors asked, "Were you too busy to get his approval to make that payoff?" Cohen replying, "No, ma'am." He's the only witness who's testified the former president directed him to pay $130,000, saying he wouldn't have done it otherwise. But to further sow doubt, the defense then called his former lawyer, Robert Costello, who testified before the grand jury that indicted Trump. Cohen told him Trump was unaware of these payments. His testimony was contentious, and the jury had to be cleared from the room at one point. Meanwhile, in a second hit to Cohen's credibility, the defense asked about money he invoiced for that overstated how much a poll-rigging tech company was owed. "So you stole from the Trump organization, right?" lawyers asked. "Yes, sir," Cohen responded. The defense says Cohen is simply an aggrieved, money-hungry former ally. The prosecution aimed to patch up any doubts by explaining Cohen is not on trial. It rested its case mid-afternoon. Trump has pleaded not guilty to 34 charges of falsifying business records, and his lawyers say there was nothing criminal about the Stormy Daniels deal. More testimony is expected Tuesday, with closing arguments slated for next week, making any verdict unlikely until early June. Reggie Cecchini, Global News, Washington.